Hello friends, this is Divyesh More and here I am back with one another video. Today we are discussing project management topic, that is project life cycle. So first we are discussing what is project. It is a group of unique interrelated activities that are planned, execute and frame from different during a time period. Each project has a lifetime, and during this lifetime it passes through a different phases, that is initiation, execution, closing. That a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to produce a unique product or service. Each project has introduced a new things. A project is a temporary system. It does not have repetition. But after a completion of one project, the manager can start the new project. It is always about managing different dimensions. Project result is unpredictable and is always unique. So project life cycle is a framework to manage any type of project. It provide guidelines to manager for successful completion of project. So what is project life cycle? Project life cycle is a series of phases of a project from initiation to completion, that is closure stage. The life cycle gives a practical approach to problem solving applied to all aspects of project. A project life cycle is a application and process of it passes application and process it passes through a different phases from starting to completion. In a project life cycle, typically have four main phases: initiation, planning, implementation and closure phase. So first we are discussing initiation. So these are the four phases of project life cycle: initiation phase, planning, execution and closing. Every, uh, the project manager can follow these four phases to complete the project given by customer. So first we are discussing initiation phase. This is also called the starting the project. The project manager can start the project in this phase. They can develop a business cases, that is they can identify the objective of the project and perform according to the project. They can identify of the objective of project, fulfilling business need of project. This is the first and important phase of project life cycle. So project life cycle is starting from initiation phase. The project management can establish the project according to their budget, and they can start the project. Next, planning. After initiation, the project manager can plan the project given by customer. They can organize and preparing the overview of project. So they can prepare the project plan. What are the risks faced by the manager according to their plan? They can properly manage the resource at the time of use of project, and they can accept the plan given by customer. They can prepare financial planning. They can communicate with other team members in these phases. Next, execution phase. So execution phase is very important phase in project life cycle, because in this phase the project manager can divided the work according to their skill and knowledge of the team members. They can divide the work into different team members, that is according to their capabilities. They can the project manager can also view the time management, and they also forecast the time management They can also view of risk management or management factor. They can acceptance the different difficulties. They can face different difficulties uh, if a project has not completed in this phase. Next, the last phase is closure phase. After the three phases, the project can process in closure phase. This is the termination, also called termination phase. All of the activities are performed very well. After in three phases, the project manager can close their project given by customer, and give review to customer as per his capabilities and behave as per his condition. So, so these are the four phases of project life cycle. Thank you.